Can you do your ABCs again?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I try to K, O, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Very good.
My ABC. Next time you sing with me.
That's right. Good job.
This one says R.
That one did say R.
B. This one says B. Yes, B. B. B.
Mm-hmm.
This one's the B. This one's R. This one's R.
You're pushing out the middle part.
Let's go in A, B, C. This one says A. This one says A. This one says A.
It does.
A.
What about when you turn it this way?
Really?
Now what is it?
B.
B, that's right.
This one says H. H.
It does?
H. And I use H.
Looks like G to me.
D. That's H. That's D. That's D.
D like Dada.
That's D. That's D. That's D. This is Dada. This is Dada. No. This one says D. This one says O. This one says O. This one says O. This one says O. Circle. This K. K. This one says K. This one says K. This one says K.
Does
This
say
one
K.
K. This one says M.
That does say M.
This one says M. This one says M. M. M.
Had the wrong angle for this. Here we go. There we go.
This picture. Do you want a picture of M?
Can you go back over there and hold it up? Then we get a picture of N. Stand over here and hold up the N. There, we get a picture. Okay, we got N looked at on the screen. And there's R. Look at R.
Look, that.
Oh, you want to do the same thing?
There's F.
Hey, you found F. That's great. What other letters do you have over there? Can you show Mama what other letters you have over there?
I have K.
You have K too. That's cool.
And I have L.
Oh boy, it looks like you still have another letter over here to look at.
I like T. T. This was T.
It does say T.
One. T.
This is quite the pile of letters and debris, Julian.
It's T.
It is T.
It's a picture.
You want to see a picture?
A picture of this.
Okay.
One. No, it's H. This one says H. This one says H.
You're right. That does say H.
This one says 8.
That one says 8. What other ones do you see?
This one says 8.
Yeah, there's your 8.
Hurry up.
What other numbers and letters do you see?
P.
Uh-huh. And